Hello everyone, in today's video we will solve this hack the box machine called Meow. So let's start it. First click on start machine. Now what you have to do is answer these questions. So what is VM means? VM means virtual machine. Now the second thing, what tool we use to interact with the operating system in order to issue commands. So this is terminal. Now, what it says that what service do we use for VPN to connect to HTB labs? It's OpenVPN. OpenVPN. Now, task 4. What tool do we use to test our connection to the target with an ICMP echo request? So it's ping. Now, what's the name of the most common tool for finding open ports on a target? It's Nmap. Now, what service do we identify on port 23 TCP during our scans? Okay, so now you have to download OpenVPN. So click here and download. After it's downloaded, then you have to open your terminal and then type sudo openvpn and the file you downloaded. Then it will be connected. You can see here it's connected. Now what you have to do, what it says that what service do we identify on port 23 TCP during our scans. So first we have to perform the scan. Now what we will do is type sudo -p, then the port number, that is 23, then -sv, then the IP address. So what this command does is you also have to type nmap here. So what this command does is -p23 tells nmap to scan only port 23 and -sv tells nmap to show the service version running in this IP with the port 23. So now press enter and enter your password. So now you can see that there is telnet running here. So the answer will be telnet. And what username is able to log into the targeted over telnet with a blank password? So first we have to try to log in. So what you have to do is type telnet and then the IP address and the port number. So now let's try some random usernames like admin, then press enter, and it's blank, so let it be blank and press enter. So it didn't work. Now what we will do is type root and it has been connected. So what you have to do now is what username was able, so it was root, submit flag, and now submit the flag located in the root's home directory. So now do ls and you can see a flag.txt here, cat flag.txt, and you can see the flag here. So copy this and paste it here and submit the flag. So it's done. So you have solved it. So thanks for watching.